world. Good day everyone! Welcome po sa aking live. Ayan. Todo ngiti. Todo ngiti ako guys. Kasi ang pang... Dahil sa request ng aking amo, ganyan na yung ating hair. Ang pangit. Hi! How are you everyone? Medyo masaya-masaya tayo ngayon dahil of course, kailangan natin maging happy everyday para tayo ay may long life. long life, ayan. Happy nice day guys. Kakain na kami. Kakain na kami muna. Kain na muna kami guys. Sri. Kakain na muna guys para tayo ay may let's eat. Tawag yata si Ma'am guys. Today, Merkules. Let's add this one. Thank you for shine. Thank you for everything. Sri, who's calling Sri? What say?
Kung si Tati Malay, that's the line.
Huh?
That's the line phone. Or outside phone maybe.
Tess?
Yeah.
You call?
No,
What?
I don't know how to say. Later, got someone call the, I don't know lah, the outside phone or this phone. That's the line.
Do you test the line? Oh.
You don't eat rice ah?
A little.
Why you so beautiful? Why?
Ang video lang ah. Gagawa daw tayo ng video, i-send ko sa LDC. Pero mag-aan na ako, maglalay muna ako. Nag-base lang ako ng damit, sabi niya beautiful. I'm not beautiful. Kain na tayo guys, lunch na, magagalit na sa akong. Kain muna ako guys ha. Tignan natin muna yung ano guys, oh, yung dagat. The sea is very nice. The sea is so nice. Hi guys! Sino ba yung nakita ko na? Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Always hi guys. Lapit na akong umalis dito kalaamo ko guys. So, I have 10 days. 10 days to go. Bye-bye someone. Bye-bye this place. So, now I will live to this place so that I have a remembrance when I go to anywhere. When I go to anywhere, okay? So, I will... Oh, yay! So nice! Very, very nice. This is the nice place and very, very, very beautiful place. Wow, wow, wow. I can see the ship outside. You see, guys? Magpunta muna tayo dito sa dagat. Natural beauty na ako, guys. Wala nang filter tong cellphone ko, guys. No more filter, so no more beautiful. Yak. Tingnan nyo guys yung dagat, oh. Ang ganda-ganda. Grabe. See. Where I see the boat? I see the boat is very beautiful. Hi! You're very, very, very nice. Ayan, may 5 na. Pwede na tayo tawag dun, yung tawag dyan.